Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send Solana from Crypto.com to Phantom Wallet. Let's begin. So number one, get your Phantom Wallet address. Open your Phantom Wallet app, then go to the Solana section and copy the displayed address. Number two, log into your Crypto.com account. Open the Crypto.com app and log into your account. Number three, navigate to your crypto wallet. Go to the account section, usually at the bottom of the app, then select your crypto wallet. 4. Find your Solana balance. Locate Solana in your list of assets. The number 5. Start the transfer process. Click on Transfer. Choose Withdraw as the transfer type. Then select External Wallet. Number 6. Add your Phantom Wallet address. Click the plus icon in the top right corner. Then choose Wallet address as the destination type. In the network field, select Solana. Paste your copied Phantom Wallet address into the address field. Number 7. Enter the amount and confirm. Enter the amount of SOL you'd want to transfer. Review the withdrawal fee and confirm the details. Number 8. Complete two-factor authentication. If required, complete any two-factor authentication steps. The number 9. Confirm the transaction. Confirm the transaction to finalize the transfer. And there you go. Hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.